Hello friends, welcome to my course on Microsoft Cognitive Services Bing News Search. My name is Matt Soucoup and I'm a principal at CodeMill Technologies. I spend all day, every day, digging into the ins and outs of Microsoft Azure, and I'm proud to present you with this course on Bing News Search. The world can change at an instant, and keeping your users up to date with the latest breaking news is easier than ever with Bing News Search. But the Bing News Search goes beyond searching. It can also return the latest headlines that are trending on social networks too. In this course, you're going to learn all about Bing News Search and how to use it to its fullest within your application. You'll explore the fundamental objects that make up Bing News Search and how they fit together to return the headlines. You'll learn about the different endpoints that Bing News Search offers and how those endpoints offer different functionality based on the parameters sent in. There are multiple ways to perform a search, from using an HTTP REST endpoint to using Microsoft-provided SDKs, and you'll gain an understanding of both and deep knowledge of the .NET SDK. The news results need to be interpreted to make them work best in your application, and you'll explore ways to do that. And because there are always rules, you'll learn about some that need to be followed in order to protect your users' privacy. When you're finished with this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge on how to add new searches to your application using Microsoft Cognitive Services Bing News Search.